Hello everyone! Welcome to Gdogg's Creations. First, I would like to thank all my current subscribers. And for my future subscribers, please don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos. Today, we are creating my version of Salisbury Steak. Let's beat the egg first. Ketchup, Worcestershire Sauce, just half of this Beef Bouillon. Let's have the whisk again. Now, let's put the ground beef. Season it, some salt, pepper, and I have some roasted garlic here. If you don't have roasted garlic powder, you can make the garlic and chop it really minced. And some breadcrumbs. Let's mix this first, see. So I have nice clean hands now, and this is the texture you're looking for. If it's a little bit runny, you can always add up more breadcrumbs. So let's make some patty. You can make whatever size you want. You can make it round, like a meatballs or like a hamburger. So this time we're just gonna make it like hamburger. More. I think that's good. Yeah, it don't have to be perfect, but something like a patty. That's it. So here are the ingredients for making the mushroom and onion gravy. I have here some fresh mushroom and onions that are already chopped. If you don't have fresh mushroom available, you can always use a jar mushroom or a canned mushroom. And I have some beef bouillon. So at first, you have to clean the mushroom by just wiping it with paper towel. Do not wash it because the water will absorb into the mushroom and you don't want that. Okay, now we're ready for searing the patty. So I like using the cast iron for it. So let's put some oil. Put more oil. So ready to flip. Perfect. Just look at that. So now it's done. You're just gonna take it out from the pan. So we're making now the mushroom onion gravy. We're using the same pan we use for searing the patty, so the gravy will absorb the taste of the patty, the flavor of it. So let's start with the onion. Wait, let's put some oil first.
What kind of oil are you using?
Canola oil. I use vegetable oil too, but I'm using canola oil. Let the onion grill and look like translucent. Then the mushroom. We have to wait until make it look like brownish. So let's let have it cook for a bit. This is the color that what you are looking for. Oh my gosh, this smells really good. I wish you can smell this. So when you see this color already, what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put away some for plating later. There. Now you can add some water. Some beef bouillon. Be careful when you put this beef bouillon because it's kind of salty. So just a little bit because you can always adjust the taste later on. And some Worcestershire sauce. Let it simmer. So it's simmering now. It's time to put slurry. I make some corn starch slurry here to thicken the sauce or the gravy. Adjust the seasoning. Put some salt. Pepper, some roasted garlic, and stir it. Let it thicken and cook the slurry. So now it's simmering the gravy, so we can put back the patty. So the juice of the patty will drip more into the gravy. Let it simmer for a bit. So we flip the patty so the other side will have some gravy coated. Just like that. There. Let it cook a little bit longer. So now it's done. You can turn off the fire. Let it rest for a bit and it's ready to serve. So now we're ready for plating. First, we have to put some gravy at the bottom of the plate. Just like that. And now we put the patty on top of the gravy. Right there. I have some prepared mashed potato here and some blanched mixed vegetables, and the one that I set aside a while ago, the sauteed mushroom and onion. So we put some mashed potato, some mixed vegetables, and we put some more gravy on top of the steak. And put this on top. Oops. You have to clean it. Like that, and then just garnish some rosemary, that's it, voila.
Oh, yeah. This is a wrap. Let's eat.